Hey everyone, this is a video response to one of my viewers. He said that his keypad was locked out on his microwave, and I noticed there is a little lock symbol that says hold for 3 seconds to lock or unlock. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold this for 3 seconds and you should see a lock appear. That is now locked. To unlock, you would hold that button again for 3 seconds. And that should do it. That would lock the keypad. And if that doesn't work for some reason, unplugging the microwave could reset the whole computer. But I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.